How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have 5 different accessories for the new DJI Action 6. It's been released a month ago, so the Action 6 is still new. So Telesin reached out. They sent 5 cool products. They don't sponsoring, they don't pay me, but I'm super excited to show you all these cool products for the new DJI Action 6. Let's start with the first product, which is this interesting RGB light. Looks like an old school film. Comes with 2 attachments, magnet as you can see, and also we have a tripod mount underneath, which is pretty cool. Let me show you the box. So if you're planning to get this product, you'll see the box and you'll know what actual is the product. I'm gonna make sure to link all the stuff in the description down below, the main website. So this is the light. Why this light is so cool, I'm gonna show you. So we have a power button here on the side, on the top. Also we have a dial. On the bottom we have a Type-C port where you can charge the actual light. So if you press once, as you can see the difference, this thing is very bright. So you press once, you can change the colors, you can cycle through the colors, as you can see, different colors, which is so cool. If you press twice, then you can change the brightness, which is so cool as well. Let's change it. So as you can see, it's very bright actually. So it's pretty cool because you can use this light for different situations. So how do you use it? So you can use one of the attachments here. We can attach it directly to the light with the magnets or with a tripod shoe coating, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool light. Again, let me show you the box again. Telesin, cool products for DJI Action 6. Let's move on with the second product. We have 5 products. I don't want to make this video long, but we'll see how long it's gonna get. So the second product is something pretty cool for Action 6. We have ND filters for cinematic videos, different scenarios. I think this is a game changer. So let me show you what we have here. So we have CPO, UV, and what is this one? VND filters. I don't know if you can see on the box, but yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna make a separate video for all the products that I received today, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, share, and press the bell. Otherwise you're gonna miss some videos. So the ND filters are pretty cool because you don't need to do any screwing. You just need to take the ND filter, attach it to the lens, as you can see, and you are ready to go. As you can see, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like it a lot. So again, there will be a separate video with the ND filters, so stay tuned for that. So if you're looking for ND filters for Action 6, Action 5, 4, Telesin is very well-known brand for smartphone accessories, for camera accessories. So pretty cool stuff here. So pretty cool. Yeah, we have ND filters from Telesin. Now let's move on to the third product, which is one of my favorite products. Is this small carrying bag, which is very nice. It's orange. It's so cute, and the build quality is very nice as well, as you can see. So let me show you. So Action 6 goes inside here, and you have a space to put your cables, your extra batteries. So if you want to transport the Action 6, pretty cool stuff. Again, you can just put the camera in your bag, but if you're afraid that the camera will scratch, I think this is a much better way to transport your camera from A to B. But it's pretty cool. Comes with a lanyard, which is here, so you can attach it. It's like a carabiner type lanyard, which is pretty nice. You can attach it here. Boom. Yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, pretty cool bag for your Action 6. I like it. Again, I'm gonna leave all the stuff in the descriptions down below. Now let's move on to the fourth product, which is one of my favorite actually. This is the actual bag, so the box. So if you're planning to get the bag, yeah, this is the box. The fourth product is this. I think this is the start of the show. This camera grip from Telesin is just next level. As you can see, let me show you. So this is the actual cage that comes. As you can see, this is pretty cool. So this year, Action 6, when you buy the Action 6, you don't get the cage, which it's a shame in my opinion. So before, when you buy the Action 4 or 5, you get a cage with your Action 5, 4, but this year you have to buy the cage separate, which I think it's, yeah, I think they are missing. So this product is cool because we have a hot shoe here on the side, on the top, so you can still use lights. So for example, I can use the lights here, as you can see, with this product, which is so nice. So if you want to attach lights, maybe a microphone, so you can do that. Also, you can attach the camera vertical or horizontal. So it's pretty good cage. If you want to use just the cage, you can do that. I'll demonstrate right now. So there's a button here, press and release, as you can see. Now take your Action 6 and just slide it in. Boom, voila, close, and you have a protection for your Action 6. Pretty cool. But now this is not the main event. Let me show you the grip. So this thing is pretty cool. As you can see, this is pretty cool grip. So it's a little bit heavy. On inside, we have a slot for memory card. Also a tool, which this tool is going to help us to attach the grip to the camera. Also inside, there is a magnetic, which is pretty cool stuff. So we're not going to lose that. So let's take this. It's pretty straightforward. See these pins here? These screws, you have to align them like this, all the way around. Other way around. So you take this. So this is the front. Yeah. So you align it like this, and then take the tool, and you have to screw it in. Like you just need to tighten this thing, and I'll show you right now. And this will go inside. Pretty straightforward. So again, if you don't want to use the grip, you can use just the cage. Bam! As you can see, this thing is the business now. Oh, let me put the tool inside, otherwise I'm gonna lose it. So make sure that this always goes inside here. Boom. So as you can see, this thing doesn't go anywhere. Now I have more grip. I can put my microphone, I can put my light, and also I can still access my battery. So if I press here and release it, I still have access to the battery, which is pretty cool. I still have access to the charging port, memory card, and it's pretty cool. Now, there's one more thing that we have to do. So this is the shutter button, so you can attach that inside. So I'll show you. There's a hot shoe here. So you need to slide this like this. As you can see, boom. And now we have a proper shutter button. Let's turn this on. And let me show you right now. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this product? I think it's pretty cool. So now if you go to the photos, I'll show you. You can use this grip for your photos, for your videos. So as you can see, it's very sensitive actually. So it's very, very sensitive. Yeah, as you can see, this is pretty cool. You can use it for videos, for photos. I think it's pretty cool. So I like it. The fact that I can use this if I'm going outside, yeah, pretty cool product. Again, I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. And let's move on to the fifth and last product. Let me show you the box again for the grip. So if you're planning to get this, yeah, this is the box. And now let's check the last product. The last product is gonna be, let me show you the box, is a carrying bag. So this is pretty cool because you can put all your accessories here. So this is the carrying bag. It's pretty cool as well. The material is very nice. And you can use the carrying bag to attach, to add pretty much all your stuff here. Oh, I zipped it on. So as you can see, you can put your camera, you can put your ND filters, batteries. You have a storage for your cables, and it's a pretty cool bag. So if you want to use the small one, you have a bigger one as well. So yeah, Telesin, they nailed it this year. They sent quite a lot of cool products, but the main star of the show is, I think, the grip, which is very good, and the quality is pretty nice. As you can see, this thing is so sensitive that I can press the shutter button and I can start to record immediately, which is very, very good. So there we have it, guys. Accessories from Telesin. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? We have quite cool, a lot of cool stuff here. We have ND filters, we have lights, we have bags, we have grips. And I think this is a pretty cool stuff for your Action 6. So if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, guys. Telesin, thank you for sending all these products. So I'm gonna leave all the links and descriptions down below for the products. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.